name, sir?
I am Sergeant Barrington Martin, sir. You're out of
From Sergeant Barrington Martin, from?
push me. You can't come out, come push me and draw a gun for me. Me now, you know, driver's license. You're doing the wrong way, sir.
Blessings everyone and welcome back. Now there's a video making rounds on social media with a police sergeant who overtook around a corner. A police inspector saw what was happening and he pulled him over. Police inspector was not in any uniform. He unholstered his service firearm and proceeded to assault the other police officer who was actually a police sergeant. Now, this is something that I've encountered on the road where police, them actually deal with you like you're the worst criminal for just a traffic offense. You know, so guys, I'm going to show you all this video. Let me know what you think about these actions in the comment section down below. And also let me know if you have ever encountered anything like this on the road.
Let me have the driver's license and documents with you. Driver, let me have the driver's license and documents.
Video everything, you know, Powell. Video everything, you know.
I don't have a problem with it.
Alright. I'm a sergeant of police.
Yeah, I don't care a damn.
And this is my driver's license. What else do you need?
Let me see your ID.
This is my...
Let me see your ID. Driver, I want to come here.
Here it is. You can't hold on to my license. Here it is.
Your driver's license. Let me have the driver's license.
Yeah, but what? Here I live. Listen. Never say assault me, you know.
What happened, man?
Never say assault me, you know, sir. This is not how we do it.
What happened?
You come out and...
Driver, let me have the driver's
Who
license.
you talking to?
Driver, let me have the driver's
No,
license
you can't have
inspection.
my driver's license, inspection. You're wrong.
Alright?
Sir, you're wrong. You come out
No,
and
relax.
you push me.
Just
You
relax,
you
no.
come for me.
Relax, no.
Everything.
Driver, let me have the driver's license
You don't
inspection.
go my driver's license after what you did to me.
Driver,
After
let me
what
have the
you did
driver's
to me.
license
After
inspection.
what you did to me, you're not gonna have my driver's license.
Driver.
You assaulted me. You don't identify yourself to me. You come out with a gun.
I need that one to identify myself. You commit a breach of the road traffic act.
Did I hit your vehicle? Did I hit your vehicle? All that money to this road don't make me go through, you know. You see it? You assaulted
All the
me.
money for the store and make you go through. Why they overtaking around the corner? Why they overtaking around the corner? Dangerous like
So
that.
you know what you do? Stop. Warn me for the offense and prosecution. You can't come out and push me.
Driver,
You draw a gun for
let me have your driver's license and
You
document.
shoot you with my gun too.
Driver, let me have the driver's
I'm not
license.
gonna have my driver's license. Powell, video everything, you know.
Driver,
Video everything.
let me have the driver's
And you
license.
are block the road, you know. And you are block the road. Me not block the road.
Driver,
You are block the road now.
you must have don't need to go any further with you.
You're going to go further.
You don't need to go any further with you, you know. I gave you an instruction, you know. I gave you an instruction. Driver, let me have the driver's license and
When you come out and you
document.
assault me, you're going to identify yourself to me. I'm a sergeant of police. Everything should have happened, me shoot you. And you are block the road.
Hold on, you're checking me now.
This everything should have happened. You can't use a camera
You're
now. I
checking me
told
now.
police you can't use a camera too.
Yo, man.
You're too out of order.
Listen, let me have the driver's license.
Me overtake somebody if he come with a breach. Do the proper channel. You can't come out and push me and drag on for me.
Driver,
What is your name? What is your name?
driver, let me have your driver's license.
You have driver's
Up to
license.
now, you have not complied with what I request.
See you block up the road there.
I said up to now,
Hey, only if you video this enough. I don't mind if you block up the road enough. I
Driver.
just want to block up the road.
I am Inspector Taylor. Let me have your driver's license and document, please, Inspector. Driver, I said, let me have your driver's license
Remember
and
say
document,
assault me, Mr.
Inspector.
Taylor. Remember say assault me. Remember that. Remember say assault
Driver,
me.
let me have your driver's license and document. Up to now, you have not complied with any of the requests. Let me have your driver's
All the way
license.
you do, Mr. Taylor. Because I'm a Saudi.
Well, you know what it
I'm a
is?
Saudi.
Alright, you notice that you get my name. What is your name, sir?
I am Sergeant Barrington Martin, sir. You're out of
From Sergeant Barrington Martin, from?
push me. You can't come out, come push me and draw a gun for me. Me now, you know, driver's license. You're doing the wrong way, Mr. Taylor, if I say if you're inspector. And you have blocked up the road.
Sergeant!
See, you have blocked up the road there.
Sergeant!
See, you have blocked up the road there.
Sergeant!
And you have blocked up the road.
You have not complied with none of the requests that I made to me of you. Alright? Alright?
Remember, say assault me, Mr. Taylor. You drag on for me and you push me.
So, Martin, where is station?
I don't know where you station.
Property
Remember where do you know?
property management and maintenance and unit. Where is station, Mr. Martin?
Remember where do you know, Mr. Taylor?
Mr. Martin, I am from the property management and maintenance and unit. Service division. Where are you from? I am from the property management and maintenance and unit. Service division. Where are you from? Mr. Martin, which division are you from?
Remember where
Mr. Martin, which division are you from?
If you're
Sergeant Martin.
The man of police have blocked up the road and
Sergeant Martin, which division are you from?
Boy, take my phone from me.
Sergeant Martin, which division are you from? Sergeant Martin, which division are you from?
Bossy, you know, sir, me overtaking at the junction, right? The man come up on me. As a result, me have to pass the vehicle when me overtake because I would have been an accident. By me reach, where's the name? Where's the name?
Templar Estate.
When me reach Templar, one PMU vehicle man block me in at the bridge. The man come out with him gun in my hand, chuck me on the car, push me around, slap me, and now when I identify myself in the mouth, like, drive a police car in there, give me no time for charge, you know? Saying here, Inspector Taylor. Yes, he assault me. He pushed me on the car and drawing gun on my face. No.
Sergeant, which division are you from?
Here, I have blocked up the road with the police.
Sergeant, which division are you from? Sergeant, which division are you from?
Okay, sir.
Sergeant, which division are you from?
I'm not talking to you again now because you come out and you push me. I saw you deal with
Yo,
me.
Sergeant.
You assaulted me.
Sergeant,
You
you know this has stopped you and you don't comply with none of the requests.
You said, if you come out of here and come out.
Sergeant,
So I help you see.
let me see your driver's
So
license.
you're blocking up the road and you are blocking up the
No,
road.
Sergeant, I said let me see your driver's
the
license.
road and you are blocking up the
Let me
road.
see your driver's license, Sergeant.
Keep that in your... Put that away. Put that away.
Sergeant,
you-
let me see your driver's license. As a matter of fact, I need to see your ID.
You need to see my ID again.
Yes,
Me not
I
see
need
yours.
to see your ID.
Me not see yours. Me not see yours. And them
Sergeant,
second off you block
I
up. We
need
not see
to see
police
your
vehicle block
ID.
up the road. We not see police vehicle block up the road. Watch it. Look there.
Sergeant, I need to see your ID.
Remember, say you assaulted me, you pushed me on the vehicle, and you
Sergeant.
draw your gun from me.
Sergeant, I need to see your ID. You take out ID up to now I'm not certain if it's a legitimate ID. Let me see your ID. Alright? What's the number? 0643. What's the number?
So what? I want to talk to you. You all thought that you assaulted me.
Yeah.
And that's wrong.
Yeah, that's what you're fine saying.
Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think are the actions which the police should take against these persons, or if there should be any actions taken. In the meanwhile, if you found this video interesting, remember you can subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking the subscribe button, and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you always receive my updates. Until then, you all stay safe.
To me, you're not gonna have my driver's license.
Driver.
You assaulted me. You don't identify yourself to me. You come out with a gun.
I
You
need that
assault
one.
me.